Hi friends, today we're going to be learning about making predictions. We're going to be doing a fun activity in our Google Classroom. You're going to come to the page where it says Miss Hennessy's Kindergarten, and our first activity for today says making predictions. Can you go ahead and read that with me? Ready, go. Making predictions. A prediction is when we make a smart guess based on clues that we see in a picture or clues that we see or read in a story. When you click on our activity for today, it's going to bring you to our Google Slides, and it says Making Predictions. A prediction is making a smart guess based on clues from a text or story. And we know that clues are hints. They tell us about what is going on in a picture or in a story. The first thing you're going to do is write your name down here. After that, you're going to move on to your first slide. On each slide, there is a picture or a group of pictures. You are going to look at the picture, look at the details, and talk about what you see. Then, on this side, you're going to be making a prediction or a guess based off the clues that you see in the picture. We're going to look at this one as an example first. Here I see a boy. I see him laying in his bed with his blanket pulled up over him. I also see dark circles under his eyes. And I know that when Miss Hennessy has dark circles under her eyes, that means I'm tired and maybe I don't feel good. The little boy also has something in his mouth. That looks like a thermometer. And I know a thermometer tells me my temperature, how hot or how cold I am. This picture of this boy and all of the clues that I see can help me make a prediction or a guess as to what is going on in the picture. I am going to guess that this boy might be sick. So on this side, I'm going to draw a picture and make my prediction. He's sick, and when you're sick, maybe you need to go to the doctor, or maybe you need to get a lot of rest or take medicine. So I would draw that picture here, and then on the line, I'm going to label it. If I said the boy needed to go to the doctor and I drew a picture of him at the doctor, I would write doctor on the line. And then I would move on to my next slide. And on each of these, you're going to look at the picture and that gives you clues, and you're going to make your own prediction on this side. And then you're going to label what you drew. And a label is when we write something that describes the picture. We'll work through this together and with partners, and I'm excited to see what you come up with.